Hello friends, welcome back to Coding with Flow. In this channel we are learning the Android tutorials. So in this tutorial we are going to learn or process our web Android playlist series, which is how to convert the any website into an Android app. So this is our second part. If you had not watched our first part, then you can simply watch it from our playlist. So let's get started with today's tutorial. So first of all we are going to implement the two things. First is progress bar and second is progress dialog. It is on your need what you have to implement. So first of all let me remind you what we had done in our previous video. So in previous video we had added simply a web view into an constraint layout, which we are changing now from constraint layout to linear layout. We had also implemented the user's permission to use internet to load our website, and we had converted our this action bar to no action bar. Then we had added the web view as a web view and string of our website as an object. We had casted it and loaded it in our URL, and then we had set the web view client to load our URL in instead of moving forward to the Chrome. We are opening our URL in this app only. After that we had added the web view can go back, then we had simply written go back. So by this our app will not crash out. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change our or how to implement the progress bar in our Android app. So let's get started. So first of all we are going to move on activity main and change our constraint layout to linear layout. Okay, after that we are going to write our process bar here. So process bar, and our width will be match parent and height will be 9 dp. Okay, after that we are going to simply write assign its id, and its id will be progress bar. So progress bar. After that we are going to write the style. So style, then question mark, attribute, progress bar style. After that we are going to apply the margin top to our progress bar. So margin top will be -2 dp. So it stuck with our action bar. So now we are going to write the visibility, which will be gone. So visibility is gone, and now we are going to simply write an int value to show how much it should process. So it will be 20. So process is equal to 20. After that we are going to simply close it, and instead of this, after that we are going to write the orientation to our linear layout, and it will be vertical. Now changing our this activity to no action bar to dark action bar, and here we are going to change our color from this color primary from blue to green type, so it may work with our app. And with same value we are going to replace it to color primary dark. Okay, and accent color will be orange. Let's add hashtag here, and our this color accent will be orange type. So simply we are going to write orange type color. So here it is. Okay, after that we are going to come on main activity main. So here we are going to declare our progress bar. So progress bar is equal to progress bar, and with that we are also adding the progress dialog. So we are going to write progress dialog also. Now it's time to cast it in our onCreate method. So first of all we are going to write progress bar is equal to find view by id, and our id is r.id.progress bar. Okay, after that we are going to write the progress dialog is equal to new progress dialog. So progress dialog, and we are going to pass this as a context. After that we are going to implement one method, and its method name is on web chrome client. 1 minute. On web chrome client, and here we are going to implement new of web chrome client, and here we are going to write curly bracket, and we are going to implement on progress change method. Okay, after that we are going to implement our progress bar. So progress bar dot set visibility, and its visibility will be visible. Okay, after that we are going to write its progress bar dot set progress and new progress. Okay, after that we are going to write if case in our on progress change method. So if our progress is our new progress is equal to 100, then we are going to simply write our progress bar dot gone. So it set visibility is equal to gone. So view dot gone. Okay, so this was our process bar, and now let visible to our process dialog. So progress dialog dot show. So here our progress dialog is visible, and now let's add our progress dialog to go or simply dismiss. So dismiss. After that we are going to run our app in our application. If you are enjoying this video, then please make sure you like, share and subscribe this channel Coding with Flow to learn the more interesting videos. So be tuned with the Coding with Flow and subscribe to get the latest update. We are uploading daily new videos of the Android tutorial, and currently we are working on this project how to convert the website into an Android app. So be with us. Here we are going to change our Fiverr to our custom title. Okay, so first of all let's change the colors. So styles, and let make it some dark color. So this much dark, and color primary is also some dark. Okay, after that we are going to change our title. So when our application is loading, our title says it's loading, and when loading complete, we get the custom title of the web page. So for that we are going to write set title, and here we are going to write loading. Okay, after that we are going to write here set title. Here we are going to write view dot get title. So by this method we are going to simply get the title of our web page and we will show it in our application. So here Android Studio is again running our Android app in our device. Here it said loading, and here Fiverr.freelancing service market occur, means our set title method works now. Now simply we are going to click on logo design. So here our progress bar had loaded and you had shown our progress dialog as well as the. If you had enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like, share and subscribe this channel Coding with Flow for more interesting Android tutorials. Till that, thanks for watching.